Welcome to PrimePay. Learn how to easily make a single NPSB payment as a transaction maker through this tutorial. First, log into PrimePay and from the menu, select NPSB Payment and then choose the Make Activities option. Select the account from which you want to send the money. Next, select the checker for your transaction. Then, select the authorizer for your transaction. Enter the credit amount, account number and account name. Select the beneficiary's bank for the transaction. Mention the purpose of your transaction so it can be easily tracked in the future. Providing email and mobile number is not mandatory, but you may add them if needed. If you frequently send money to the same beneficiary, you can save them as a beneficiary. Once all the information is confirmed, select Create Batch, click OK and complete your transaction. This is how you can easily make single NPSB payments through PrimePay.